We invite you to this 2-day hysteroscopy course in Dubai. We intend to make it not only interesting but also to give you hands-on experience with the hysteroscopy towers, with resectoscopy and with the instruments. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Alka Kumar, a hysteroscopic surgeon for the past 25 years or more, an inventor as well as an academician. We are doing courses with IBC on hysteroscopic surgery, advanced as well as office diagnostic hysteroscopy for the past many years now. I, along with my other faculty, Dr. Vidya Bhat from Bangalore, are doing the course, which is a 2-day course which is accredited by DHA. Dr. Vidya Bhat, please introduce yourself.
Hi Alka, thank you. I'm Dr. Vidya Bhat from Bangalore. I'm a hysteroscopic surgeon and a laparoscopic surgeon, IVF specialist. I've been doing hysteroscopy, lap and IVF for the past 25 years. In this course of IBC, our aim is to train the students who come to us to be a full-fledged hysteroscopic surgeon. So we cover the topics of diagnostic hysteroscopy, operative hysteroscopy, and also we give them hands-on. When we give them hands-on, it is not only the level 2, that is just taking a biopsy and avulsing a polyp and then just cutting a small septum. We teach them how to use the resectoscope also, wherein they are taught how to do a fibroid, remove a fibroid, and then do a septal resection and transcervical resection of endometrium. So when they come to us, we see to it that they are well equipped with the hysteroscopic surgeries and they go back and start doing hysteroscopic surgery.